To enhance the living standard of vulnerable people and give voice to the voiceless in Anambra State and beyond, a non-governmental organization, Ezeigbo Gburugburu, Dr. Prosper Chukwuka Foundation, has empowered widows and the vulnerable at Nkwele Community, Awka. Onomokadibo reports.
The Ezeigbo Gburugburu Dr. Prosper Chukwuka Foundation over the years has made a significant impact by securing the release of inmates from correctional facilities across Nigeria and provision of legal representation, payment of court fines, and offering support for reintegration into the society.
In 2025 to December 2025, I've released about 550 something people from different prisons in Nigeria, like Lagos, all the prisons in Lagos, all the prisons in Abuja, all the prisons in Nasarawa, Suleja, Anambra State. I have gone to all the prisons in Anambra State, like Agawata Prison, Onitsha Prison, Newi Prison, Oka Prison, and the Kwale Prison, Delta State. I went to all those prisons, and I've released people from all those prisons.
The foundation distributed over 2,000 bags of rice and bales of wrappers to the people of Nkwele community and some residents in Awka. The founder of the NGO said the initiative of the foundation is to support vulnerable persons and alleviate poverty.
Money in diaspora. I say let me come and spend it in my village so that my people will benefit. I drive joy in helping my fellow human being.
People who were visibly elated appreciated the gesture of the foundation, emphasizing the importance of community service.
Reaching out to the masses to make sure that the various citizens of this place are not hungry. So these are the things that he's doing. He's also a philanthropist who makes sure that who works for the betterment of the citizens of this community.
He's doing it everywhere. He used to decongest prison, not only giving rights to people.
We, the widow, remember us. So I'm very happy. I'm thanking God for this.
Just giving, empowering the disabled and doing many things, empowering the widows.
Remembering the poor, taking care of them, releasing the prisoners, taking care of the widows and the less privileged.
Activities that characterized the day was entertainment of guests and distribution of the items. The Ezeigbo Gburugburu Foundation was established to improve the quality of life of vulnerable persons through education, healthcare, and economic empowerment. In Awka, Onome Okadibo, NTA News.